All plants in the Leguminosae family, or the Fabacea family, or the bean and pea family, alfalfa, clover, really useful because they all share this characteristic of being able to fix nitrogen into the soil, fixing the nitrogen out of atmospheric nitrogen into plant fertilizer form of nitrogen. In organic agriculture and permaculture, one of the key strategies is to use biological resources. We're actually going to dig a deep enough hole, hopefully here, to get a decent jar test from the vegetable garden. So here's one of our yields, which is that almost pure mineral subsoil. This is going to show us what the relative proportions are of the mineral component of the soil. It tells us how often to irrigate, and it tells us which crops we might struggle with more than others, which crops might really be to our advantage to grow.